Here we are. This is an automatic product Snackshop 6600 with the NIAX card reader on it. Now I think if I heard it right, the people that I bought this from updated the door. They got a whole new door on it. So how we set the price, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set some prices in this bad boy. I'm gonna go here and press this blue button. You gotta hold it. It's gonna say please wait. Audit data. Now to toggle through the menu, you press 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 to go up, 4 left, 6 right, 8 down. So we're gonna go 8 down. That's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna press 8 for down. 8. See, it says set price. Now you're gonna want to hit 6 to go over. 6. It's gonna say set price, set match price. I'm gonna hit 8 to go down again. Set tray price. 8 to go down again. Set select price. I'm gonna hit 2 to go back up. I'm gonna set the tray price. Yep, tray price. Hit 6 to go to the right. Boom. Now it's gonna be row 1. Boom. $1.25. Then you hit the star for enter. Set tray price. That's good. Boom. Now hit 2 for row 2. See it? You wanna hit $1. I'll hit zeros. If you just keep hitting zeros, it'll zero itself out. $1.25. Boom. There we go. Now, remember when you hit your price, you put the price in, then you hit this star button to enter it. And that's it. And over here is kind of like the menu they have. I don't know if you guys can see that. See, 2 for up, 6 for right, 4 for left, 8 for down. There we go. We're just gonna let it cycle out, and we're gonna, after it cycles out, we are going to see, oh, let's hit back, 4 to go back. Not available. Okay, let's see if it works. 1, oh, that's not right. Let's see if it works. 1, 1, 0, $1.25. 1, 1, 1, $1.25. 1, 1, 2, $1.25. 1, 1, 3. Oh yeah, it worked. I am a genius. Okay, 121. 122. 123. 130. 131. Alright, we're good to go. See, I'm getting ready to set up. I got the crane wheel of death machine. I got a Dixie live display right there. We're gonna get this all set up and get her done, son.